Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about the sum function of Excel. We will go up from basic to advanced in Excel, so let's start. And friends, if the information provided in this video is good enough for you, then must like and subscribe to my channel for more information. Thanks.
As you can see that we have a table of Apple & Company which consist of data of sales of various products as iPad, Mac, iPhone, wearables, home and accessories and services. Now we have to find net sales of these products D10, E10 and F10. We use some function to find out UI's net sales of these products. So, let's check it out. To apply formula, first press equals to symbol from keyboard, then write sum. After typing sum in cell U, we see sum in quick drop down, select sum and press tab. Inside the parenthesis, select cells of which need to find the sum. It means select array from D5 to D9 using shift and arrow key combination and close parenthesis. Press enter and drag formula from left to right or copy the resulted cell and paste it to another. Thank you.